Something extraordinary is happening in watch collecting circles that Rolex dealers absolutely don't want you knowing about in 2026. Sophisticated collectors are quietly selling their Rolexes and replacing them with watches delivering superior technology, better finishing, and honest pricing without artificial scarcity games. We're talking about a silent revolution where knowledgeable enthusiasts choose spring drive accuracy over chronometer certificates, Zaratsu polishing over crown logo premiums, and immediate availability over years-long waitlists. Today, we're revealing 8 watches that serious collectors are choosing over Rolex right now. Number 8. Tudor Black Bay 58. The Tudor Black Bay 58 is becoming the first Rolex replacement collectors make when realizing manufacture movements don't require crown logo premiums. This iconic timepiece features manufacturer caliber MT5402, with 70-hour power reserve and COSC chronometer certification matching Submariner specifications, at $3,800 versus $9,000 plus. The 39mm case with slim 11.9mm profile creates vintage proportions wearing more comfortably than bulkier Submariner during extended daily wear throughout various activities. The gilt dial and snowflake hands create distinctive Tudor identity that collectors increasingly prefer over Submariner's conservative aesthetics limited by decades-old design conventions. The aluminum bezel insert creates authentic vintage aesthetics that ceramic bezels cannot replicate for period-correct appearance that photography enthusiasts particularly value. The manufacture movement demonstrates Tudor developing in-house calibers rather than relying on ETA bases, showing technical capability rivaling their parent company Rolex. What collectors appreciate is Tudor delivering Rolex-adjacent quality with superior vintage proportions at pricing, reflecting honest value rather than artificial brand premiums. The immediate availability without waitlists and dealer relationship games respects collectors unlike Rolex's systematic exploitation of buyer enthusiasm. Number 7. Omega Seamaster 300M. The Omega Seamaster 300M is replacing Rolex Submariner among technically sophisticated collectors who understand that coaxial escapement represents genuine watchmaking superiority. This technical masterpiece features coaxial master chronometer movement achieving METIS certification with 15,000 Gauss magnetic resistance that Rolex's movements cannot approach for modern advantages. The 42mm case with wave dial pattern creates distinctive visual identity that Submariner's conservative design abandoned, pursuing broader luxury market positioning years ago. The 300-meter water resistance with helium escape valve provides professional saturation diving capability that Submariner lacks entirely, requiring Sea Dweller upgrade costing significantly more. The Master Chronometer certification represents Swiss industry's highest standards exceeding COSC that Rolex movements achieve, providing verified superior accuracy and magnetic resistance. The transparent case back reveals the beautifully decorated coaxial movement, creating mechanical appreciation that Submariner's solid caseback denies, maintaining brand mystique unnecessarily. The silicon hairspring provides superior shock resistance and temperature stability that traditional Rolex hairsprings cannot match for modern technical advantages throughout ownership. What's driving collector replacement is the Seamaster, delivering objectively superior movement technology with comparable finishing at lower pricing than Submariner's inflated luxury premiums. Number 6. Longines Spirit Zulu Time GMT. The Longines Spirit Zulu Time GMT is quietly replacing Rolex GMT Master 2 among value-conscious collectors, discovering superior GMT functionality at honest Swiss pricing. This aviation masterpiece features true GMT movement with jumping hour hand, providing genuine travel functionality that many GMT watches claim without actually delivering during use. The COSC chronometer certification and silicon hairspring provide technical advantages over standard quartz and mechanical alternatives at $3,200 versus GMT Master's $10,000 plus pricing structure. The 42mm aviation-inspired case creates authentic pilot watch aesthetics backed by Longines, genuine aviation heritage that Rolex's civilian GMT watches cannot authentically claim historically. The bidirectional rotating bezel provides additional timing functionality beyond simple time zone tracking that unidirectional bezels cannot replicate for versatile utility throughout use. The immediate availability at honest pricing respects collectors unlike Rolex's authorized dealer games, forcing relationships and waiting periods that frustrate buyers wanting watches without unnecessary complications. Collectors appreciate Longines delivering authenticated aviation heritage with technically superior GMT movement at one-third the price of Rolex's fashion GMT. What's driving the replacement trend is sophisticated collectors realizing GMT complications don't require crown logos or gray market premiums when Swiss heritage brands deliver comparable quality. Number 5. Citizen the Citizen Chronomaster. The Citizen Chronomaster is replacing Rolex Day-Date among technically sophisticated collectors who prioritize accuracy over precious metal prestige and status signaling. This haute horology masterpiece features high-accuracy quartz movement achieving plus or minus 5 seconds per year accuracy that mechanical Day-Date loses daily, requiring manual correction throughout ownership. The Zaratsu polishing creates distortion-free mirror surfaces throughout the case that honestly rival or exceed Rolex Day-Date's finishing at 5% of the precious metal pricing structure. The perpetual calendar automatically adjusts for month lengths and leap years through 2100, requiring no manual corrections that Day-Date wearers perform monthly without exception throughout ownership. The EcoDrive solar charging provides ultimate practical convenience that mechanical Day-Date cannot match, eliminating expensive servicing every 5 to 7 years costing thousands throughout ownership. The exhibition caseback reveals beautifully decorated high-accuracy movement, with finishing that shocks viewers expecting basic quartz aesthetics from non-Swiss manufacturers globally. What's driving replacement is collectors discovering the Citizen delivers genuinely superior accuracy and finishing at $2,000 versus Day-Date's $40,000, plus precious metal pricing, reflecting gold weight rather than watchmaking excellence. Sophisticated collectors increasingly question whether $38,000 premium for Day-Date's gold case justifies itself against it. Number 4. Sin U50S. The Sin U50S is replacing Rolex Submariner among engineering-focused collectors who prioritize specifications and German precision over Swiss luxury brand prestige. This tool watch masterpiece features 500-meter water resistance, exceeding Submariner's 300-meter rating dramatically, while submarine steel construction provides enhanced corrosion resistance beyond standard stainless steel. The tegimented surface hardening creates scratch resistance approaching synthetic sapphire hardness that maintains pristine appearance, while Rolex stainless steel shows every desk diving mark within weeks. The captive safety bezel prevents accidental rotation during diving, providing enhanced safety that standard unidirectional bezels cannot guarantee during professional underwater operations. The anti-magnetic soft iron cage protects movement from magnetic fields that affect Rolex movements, accuracy near electronics encountered during daily professional activities. The dehumidifying technology with captive copper sulfate capsule prevents moisture infiltration that causes fogging and damage in standard watches over extended ownership. What engineering-focused collectors appreciate is Shin's obsessive specifications and genuine German precision without the lifestyle marketing that Rolex substitutes for technical credibility. Number 3. Grand Seiko Snowflake SBGA 211. The Grand Seiko Snowflake SBGA 211 is becoming the defining Rolex replacement among collectors who discover spring drive technology represents the greatest mechanical innovation since the escapement itself. This revolutionary masterpiece features spring drive movement achieving 1 second per day accuracy with perfectly gliding seconds hand that neither mechanical Rolex nor quartz watches can replicate through any available technology. The textured snowflake dial, inspired by Japanese winter landscapes, creates stunning artisanal craftsmanship that Rolex's conservative dials cannot approach for visual sophistication or cultural depth. The Zaratsu polishing throughout the titanium case creates distortion-free mirror surfaces that honestly exceed Rolex Datejust, finishing at approximately 60% of the pricing. The 72-hour power reserve provides practical convenience for collection rotation, while the titanium construction reduces weight dramatically compared to Rolex's heavy stainless steel, causing wrist fatigue. The exhibition caseback reveals the stunning spring drive movement, whose perfectly gliding seconds hand creates daily wonder impossible to replicate through any other watchmaking technology currently available. What's driving mass collector replacement is the realization that spring drive delivers something genuinely impossible in Rolex A movement, combining mechanical soul with quartz-level accuracy through revolutionary electromagnetic regulation. Number 2. Grand Seiko SLGH005 White Birch. The Grand Seiko SLGH005 White Birch is accelerating Rolex replacement among serious collectors by delivering next-generation high-beat movement with unprecedented finishing that Swiss brands cannot match. This engineering masterpiece features revolutionary 9SA5 high-beat movement with 80-hour power reserve and dual-impulse escapement, representing genuine horological innovation rather than conservative movement evolution. The white birch dial creates stunning three-dimensional texture inspired by Japanese birch forests that changes dramatically under different lighting, creating daily visual wonder impossible with Rolex's simpler dial work. The Zaratsu polishing throughout the case creates distortion-free mirror surfaces that honestly exceed Rolex finishing across their entire lineup, including precious metal models costing 10 times more. The 9SA5 movement represents Grand Seiko developing revolutionary escapement technology rather than refining centuries-old designs, demonstrating that Japanese watchmaking leads innovation rather than following Swiss conventions. The exhibition caseback reveals hand-beveled and Zaratsu-polished movement components, creating appreciation for craftsmanship that Rolex hides behind solid casebacks, maintaining brand mystique and secrecy. What's causing accelerating replacement is collectors recognizing the white birch delivers objectively superior finishing with revolutionary movement technology at honest pricing that makes Rolex's artificial scarcity look increasingly insulting. Number 1. Grand Seiko Shunbun SBGA 413. The Grand Seiko Shunbun SBGA 413 absolutely dominates collector replacement of Rolex by combining spring drive perfection with breathtaking artisanal craftsmanship at $6,800. This ultimate collector's watch features spring drive movement, achieving 1 second per day accuracy, with the perfectly gliding seconds hand that hypnotizes owners daily throughout ownership. The pink and white dial, inspired by Japanese spring equinox, creates stunning seasonal artistry that changes dramatically throughout the day, as light angles shift, revealing hidden depth. The Zaratsu polishing throughout the titanium case creates mirror surfaces that rival precious metal Rolex models, costing 6 times more without the gold weight justification. The power reserve indicator provides practical information, while the exhibition caseback reveals the spring drive movement, whose electromagnetic regulation represents genuinely revolutionary horological thinking. The titanium construction weighs dramatically less than Rolex's stainless steel, while the Zaratsu polishing maintains appearance that precious metal watches require for luxury credibility. The Four Seasons collection creates compelling reason to collect multiple Grand Seikos versus maintaining single Rolex that represents status rather than horological passion.